Hi friends, Karen V. Sweater here. Today I'm here to talk to you about the teaser, how to do it, and maybe how come we can't lift up from the floor when we're trying to do a teaser. Have you ever been in a Pilates class and you look around and everyone's coming straight up into the teaser exercise and you can't get off the floor? It's okay. I'm going to show you a few things that are going to help you progress in your teaser practice. So first of all, if you naturally have a more arched back or an anterior pelvic tilt, it's going to be harder to lift off the floor, right? So if I'm really arched here and I try to come up, where's my core strength? It's going right to the low back, which is not good for us. So an exercise you would want to do is pelvic tilts, right? Focusing on a little imprint and release to try to come out of our anterior position. Another thing is if we have a kyphotic posture where we're rounded kind of with the neck forward, we're going to want to strengthen the back, stretch the chest, working on the thoracic, the upper part of the spine and the back before we go into the teaser, right? If my head is rounded and my neck is forward, when I come down, look at my head. It's going to be hyperextended. So what you can do here is use a little pillow or a block to put under your head because you want to see that neutral cervical spine position. So we definitely want to avoid this. That's going to damage our neck, our low back, and we're not going to be able to get up. All right, so with the teaser, you're going to start with the arms slightly overhead. I'm going to start with a modified teaser with the knees bent, shoulders are off the ears. Arms don't want to be on the floor because then my ribs are popped, I'm losing that connection. So hover off, connecting with that core. We inhale the arms up. Now, on the exhale, here's where we start the imprint. Drawing the belly in, ribs are coming to the hips. If you're here today, that's fine. All right, you're gonna lift all the way up, tall on the sits bones. Arms come up on the inhale, and then slowly on the exhale, moving from the abdominals, slowly. So another thing we have to focus on is spinal articulation. I want each vertebrae to melt to the mat. All right, I often have my clients too walk up the legs if that helps, and then come up when we're learning the teaser, okay? The full teaser here, legs are together, toes are pointed. A little harder, shoulders off the ears. Same thing here. If you're a little more arched, you have to work even harder to come to neutral or imprint to get in a safe position. Ribs are flush, inhale the arms. Think of this as a core exercise. So as you exhale, we're imprinting. Ribs are coming to the hips. All about the abdominals here, lifting the upper and lower body. Arms come up a little higher. And then from here, we're gonna lower down. Now here's the trick. Use your abdominals, and what I need is your head and your toes to land at the exact same time. Let's try that one more time. Inhaling here. Exhale. Abdominals doing the work. We find that imprint and lift. Up, up. Arms come higher. Good. Arms lower, scooping from center. Chin is off that chest. Draw the belly deeper and come down. Okay, so that is your full teaser position. If you can't get into it or if your legs feel glued, work on stretching the hips if your hips are tight. If we're in that thoracic position, work on rounded position, work on strengthening the back, opening the chest. And if you're in that anterior tilt, a little bit of pelvic tilts will help. Of course, you have to do this consistently, not just one time, right? The other thing, if we really can't get off the floor, focus on breaking it down. So we come right to the ab prep only, right? Maybe we add a tabletop leg to that, coming up here, extending the legs, so you get a feel for what the teaser feels like. All right, friends, so find an instructor who can look at your posture and tell you what you can work on so you can get up to that full teaser. Or join my Fit Club. I'll put the link down below where I give you live and on-demand classes every single week, and I can also help you work through the teaser. So thank you for watching. I hope you got some helpful hints. Let me know down below what prevents you from getting up, right? Look at your posture, look at your alignment. It's not because your abs are maybe weak, right? Or you don't have the strength. There might be a couple of other things in your alignment that have to be worked on before you can get up. With consistency, with practice and discipline, friends, you will do it, I promise. Have a beautiful day. Keep working hard. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Bye.